Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Lamborghini of Sterling, Virginia for a holiday cruise, toy drop-off, toy drive. We're going to be taking a rally with all these awesome supercars and exotic cars. And check out this i8. Whew! Look at these wheels. Whoa! I'd be curbing those suckers all the time. Very, very cool. And it's a roadster. A little bit chilly this morning for this, but it's well outfitted. Got carbon fiber everywhere. Very cool spec. Nice to see.
We have now a new addition to the Black Badge Rolls-Royce family. So I'll ask Tina, and I also want to, by the way, introduce you to Tina. Tina is our new Rolls-Royce brand manager. So I'll ask Tina to maybe just give you a couple words so you have an idea what the Black Badge is all about.
Thank you, Amir. Black Badge, the new family member of Rolls-Royce. This is the alter ego challenge of Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce wanted to do something more dynamic, stronger, more sporty, if I may use the term, and they decided to come with the Black Badge. As Amir mentioned earlier, it was Dawn and Ghost and the Wraith, and now they brought, and I'm very happy, they brought the Black Badge to the Cullinan as well. This is a sportier car than the regular Cullinan. Living up to its name, it's a black badge. You do notice that everything is dark chrome. It's not painted. The spirit of ecstasy and the grille, as well as the accents around the car, are all dark chrome.
Check out this C7 Corvette. All my Corvette buddies would love this. Wow. Tinted, wrapped. What a freaking awesome color on this. So cool. Very cool. Got a bunch of R8s here. Ferrari, the i8, McLarens, Porsches, you name it. It's going to be a fun rally today.
I'll see you later. Yep.
Right behind you in a bright yellow one. Oh, no, I'm Gary.
We're apparently carrying toys. Do you remember?
doing?
Good.
Thanks, I love it. I love the blue on yours too.
Yeah.
All right, we got all the cars here. First stop. It's crazy cool. Here's your go original supercar. Mustn't be that. Good.